tell me one skill which our students should acquire so that they can get a good job in future. We'll start from the left only.
Hello everyone. So according to me, what requires for you people to to get a better job in the corporate sector, what I feel is not to underestimate yourself. What she says is correct, being confident. But second thing is, two of the main problem happens when a fresher goes to a company. Even I have faced that. Since we are into a college level students who have never worked before, so have never been into those environment. Here, since we are paying the money, we do have a mindset that we can do anything. We are paying, I should get this facility. We are not paying for all those facilities. We are paying for the education. We never understood that. But when it is our private institution, we do have that kind of feeling that we are paying, so we should be getting all those facilities. So, and second thing is, when they immediately go to the corporate, they have that same feeling inside them that here I am coming, they used to stay in their own ego trip. We may call it ego trip, we may call it overconfidence. But I'll tell you, because of that thing, many of the people get directly, they simply reject those candidates, okay? Even though their CV is great, even their personality is great, because of this thing. Because what organization expect, you listen to them. For that reason they are paying you. So you have to understand now you are getting paid. So there is certain expectation from you. The way when you are studying over here, your parents are paying for you, they have some expectation from the college that they will give some placements. So I will tell you one thing, college cannot give you a placement, college can give you an opportunity. We are here to get an opportunity. When you are going to a government college or a normal college, you will not get that opportunity, what you get here. So when you are coming to a private college, it doesn't mean that they'll spoon feed you. You'll just open your mouth, they'll give you a job, you will go to that company, you will earn in lakhs. It's not going to happen. It only happens in movies. The thing what happens in corporate is, what you have learned from here, the opportunity what you get, you should value it. When you are going, still, 70% of the graduates are not getting job. But I'm happy that people who have gone from IIBS are into a very high position. Every year I used to come into this alumni and seen that people have really gone to a very high position. I'm telling you, it's not because IIBS has given some additional opportunities or additional jobs. It's because of this platform. This college, you get to know different mindset of people. I was just discussing with the co-panelists as well. This is the platform where you get people from West Bengal, you get people from Bihar, you get people from Assam, you get people from all over India. So maybe in future it will be all over the globe. We wish for that. So, and you get to know different mindset of people. After giving this kind of platform, and still if you go to the organization and behave like a mature person or behave like, I don't care attitude. You shouldn't have that. Okay, you should care for it. You should go, you should make sure every single day you prove yourself. Corporate is not easy. Corporate is very difficult unless and until every single day you prove yourself. So please keep in your mind, always you should have a mindset of go-getter, not the mindset of somebody will come and give you, since you have invested some money in your MBA. It doesn't mean that. Okay, so keep in your mind, always remember to whatever opportunity is coming, you should grab it, you should utilize it properly. If your seniors is telling anything, be humble. So that those are the qualities you should have if you really want to shine in corporate. That's what from my side. Thank you.